Strap in and get ready to blast off. Here are 12 amazing space facts proving life on Earth is boring. Well, let's be honest, boring in comparison is more accurate. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and please do support me in this journey. Let's not wait any further, and let's get started. Fact 1. Imagine a calm day suddenly shattered by a meteor striking Earth. It can happen with no warning. Scientists track big ones, but smaller meteors can still surprise us. In 2013, a meteor over Russia caused injuries and damage. So, as you gaze at the sky, remember it's full of unexpected possibilities. Fact 2. Astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth because of Einstein's theory of relativity. Time is affected by gravity, so the stronger the gravity, like Earth's, the slower time moves. Since the ISS is farther from Earth's gravity, astronauts experience time a bit more slowly. The difference is tiny, just a fraction of a second. Fact 3. Extended space travel can affect your DNA. After a year on the ISS, astronaut Scott Kelly returned to Earth taller and with different DNA from his twin, Mike Kelly. Scientists found that space stress caused changes in Scott's genetic code, making his DNA permanently different. So, Scott and Mike are no longer identical twins. Fact 4. On the ISS, astronauts experience 16 sunrises and sunsets each day because the station orbits Earth every 90 minutes. This frequent change between light and dark can disrupt their sleep. To manage this, the ISS uses bright lights for 15 to 16 hours and dims them for 8 to 9 hours to mimic a normal day and night cycle. Astronauts often use sleep masks to block out light and maintain a regular sleep schedule. Fact 5. On Venus, an intriguing phenomenon occurs where a single day on the planet is longer than an entire year. Venus rotates extremely slowly on its axis, taking approximately 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. In contrast, Venus orbits the Sun in about 225 Earth days. This means that a day on Venus, from one sunrise to the next, lasts longer than a year on Venus, making it a unique and curious aspect of our solar system. Fact 6. Saturn is incredibly light for its size and could actually float in water if you had a bathtub large enough. This is because Saturn is primarily composed of gas and has a density lower than that of water. Even though it's a massive planet, its low density means it would float rather than sink. So, if you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would stay on the surface. Fact 7. Compared to Earth, Jupiter's moon Io is far more volcanically active. While Earth has about 1,500 active volcanoes, Io has hundreds erupting constantly. Earth's volcanoes are driven by tectonics, but Io's eruptions are caused by Jupiter's strong gravity stretching and heating the moon, making Io's volcanic activity much more extreme. Fact 8. Some stars, called blue stragglers, act like cosmic vampires. They stay young and hot by siphoning hydrogen fuel from older stars nearby. This process makes them burn brighter and appear bluer, while the older stars are gradually depleted. So, these stars effectively drain their neighbors to prolong their own lifespan. Fact 9. A scary fact about black holes is that their gravity is so strong it can stretch and compress anything that gets too close, a process called spaghettification. If you cross the event horizon, the point of no return, you can't escape and would be pulled superdense point called a singularity. Essentially, black holes can trap and destroy everything that comes near them. Fact 10. There are entire dead galaxies out there, like Max 2129-1, also known as the galactic graveyard. Located 10 billion light-years from Earth, this galaxy stopped forming new stars a few billion years after the Big Bang. It now only has dying red dwarf stars and black exoplanets. This year, scientists discovered 6 similar dead galaxies. Fact 11. On the exoplanet HD 189733b, it rains molten glass due to extreme conditions. From a distance, it looks like a serene, blue world, but on the surface, winds howl at 5,400 miles per hour. If you dare to visit, you'd be torn apart by the glass rain and swept away by the fierce winds, making it a truly hostile and mesmerizing place. Fact 12. Neptune, though 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth, is surprisingly hot and radiates more heat than it receives. Its atmosphere is very active, with winds reaching up to 1,500 miles per hour. Unlike Uranus, which is closer to the Sun but radiates similar amounts of heat, scientists are still trying to understand why Neptune is so much hotter and more dynamic. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel to watch more interesting videos daily. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.